What temperature settings will provide comfort and still help you save money on your energy bills? During the warm months, it is recommended that you set your home's cooling system to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. If you'll be out of the house for 4 or more hours, raise the setting so the AC only comes on if the temperature reaches 88 degrees to help save money on your energy bill. Remember to open the doors between rooms in your home so the cool air can flow more freely, and close the blinds and curtains to keep the sun out. During the cooler months, turning your thermostat lower by 10 to 15 degrees for 8 hours per day will help you see an energy usage reduction on your bill. Also, consider covering hard floors with rugs and carpets to help trap the heat in. Installing a programmable thermostat in your home will let you run a scheduled heating and cooling program without having to remember to change your settings throughout the day. Adjusting the temperature in your home, either manually or with a programmable thermostat, will save you money.